I'm starting to panic. What's this special tool?
We don't need any specialist tools. We'll be fine.
This book's full of them. Refit the bolts. Oh my life. Cleanliness is next to godliness.
That's why we're doing it on a nice rusty bench. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Thanks for joining us. And today, it's an us. John's back.
Oh God, help us.
A round of applause everybody. He's back. I've been holding up the channel for 2 weeks on my own, slogging away, and John has actually approved of all of the work that I've done, so thumbs up.
Very good.
He's doing his homework because today we are going to take apart the engine. And I think John is quite nervous. I am, to be fair.
With this wonderful manual.
Oh,
yes.
big thank you to Jerry for sending that to us.
Thank you, Jerry. We're going to need it. But yeah, very informative, brilliant. I may be taking it home.
Lots of photos,
Yeah.
lots of pictures in there for us to look at.
Pictures are good. Yeah. Yeah, but very helpful, fantastic. So this is going to save the day
Yeah,
without question.
So where are we going to start?
Cup of coffee.
Oh God.
I want to pull the side off where the clutch is,
Okay,
but you want to pull the top off, don't you?
who's going to win?
You will win, Dom.
Yeah, good, good.
Yeah, so it looks like the top's coming off.
Top
first.
end's coming off,
Yeah.
get the head off.
There isn't a matching bolt on this engine.
What do you mean?
Rusty old donut, some homemade stainless
Oh yeah,
item.
that looks more like one of the ones that holds the engine on, or holds the tank, like the side of the...
So we've got a little copper washer under there, and it looks like we've got a fibre one. I am very worried about this engine. I appreciate it's a British bike and they all leak,
Yeah,
but it just...
doesn't fill you with confidence.
Well, looking at the primary drive gear, which is completely and utterly ruined, they were obviously too scared to go there. I've got odd plug caps, nuts and bolts that have been chewed up and spat out. I think it's going to bite us. Look at the adjusting nuts, they're almost round.
That is why we're here.
We've looked at the book, now we've put it to one side.
Looked at Jerry's book. Yeah,
And we're going to tear it down.
The library is still here. This is John's one, this is Jerry's one, then these are the two that came with the bike. We've got every kind of literature you could ever want. All the wrong tools. I do have a set of Imperial spanners, but I've left them at the repair shop.
That's very helpful, Don, well done.
Classic.
We'll start with these little ones, yeah? What do you think?
I think you're
They
right.
feel terrible. Oh my life. Look at it, it's all chewed up. Look. This is the kind of start we need. No carbon on there.
That looks good.
That looks great. Yeah. I think I've been in and out so many times the crush washer doesn't exist anymore. Ooh. Look how thin that electrode is, look.
Oh, there. That's the bad one.
Oh, that is...
That's it. Don't cross thread. Don't round it off.
Cross thread, there's nothing
Don't
in
round
there.
it off.
Well, 3 out of 4's not bad,
There's
is
always
it?
one.
Oh! Right, I do not know what we're going to find. These are clearly...
Well, I hope there's some rockers in there.
There's definitely, I can see 2 on this side. These are definitely the head bolts. Oh, this one's going all the way, Dom.
Is it hollow? Oh, it's just...
It's wasted at the top.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nice.
Another one. You're very slimy, dude.
You know what? If I film all of this, we can just watch this episode back when we don't know...
We'll reverse it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like when there are 2 long studs at the front, we can be like, there we go. We'll just watch this back.
I think we will be watching it back for sure. Oh,
that's a long one.
Whoa.
They look all right.
Well, I should hope so. They're quite...
It's like really wrong to be, yeah.
We ready, Dom? What are we going to find? Oh, well, that's the lifters. There's a push rod. That's just fallen
That's a
out.
bad noise.
That's all right. Look at all the glue. Our little rocker shaft. Can you see that, Dom?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the wear on there. Look. I don't think there's much hardening left there. What is important here, Dom, is that they are very
There must be some kind of follower in there. We need to delve deeper and find out.
yeah, but you can see, look, so they're on now, but they're very easy to come off and go down the side.
I look forward to rebuilding that then.
They're very deep. the wear in it is massive.
Yeah.
And we should mark them up because ideally we need to keep them
Okay.
in the same
I'll
orientation.
get even though we're changing them, or we might not be.
Do you think you're changing them?
Well, if they're knackered,
They've got a lot of wear on them, but we should still keep, for all intents and purposes, we don't know what we can and can't get. So.
I'll get a piece of cardboard and I'll make some holes in it and we'll lay things out.
Yeah,
Done.
definitely.
That's fine.
That's fine. I'm sure that is fine, Dom. Oh, look.
Oh,
Oh, no.
no.
All right, John, go home, John. All right.
We'll assess things later. Let's just get it apart.
Okay, we're assessing later. I've still got to look though, Dom. I can't help it. I can't help myself. I've got to look. Oh, the round nut.
Go on. God. At least they're not too tight.
Out of the 8 head bolts, 1 washer.
Great.
And you trust this engine, Dom? You trust this? You trust
How
this?
can you put 1 washer on one of the bolts and none on the others? Is it in there? Is it just crushed? Is it squashed in there?
No, it don't look like it, mate. I'd like to think it is. I'd like to think that's it, but I think that's no. He's just munched into the alley head.
Great.
Wow. Oh my God, Dom. I was expecting.
A fight.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Whoa, those are some fun pictures.
Oh, big valves, aren't they?
Was that intake? Yeah.
Yeah, they're big. I haven't left a lot of room.
Things are looking good. Well, despite every single nut and bolt we take off being wrong, with the wrong washer or no washer, the barrel is going to lift off, and that will actually give us the first glimpse into the case, the crank, and what's inside. Let's hope it's not full of rust.
So I've put these on here to hopefully hold them followers.
Yeah,
So
leaving everything, pull it off as well.
Hopefully, yeah. Absolute nightmare getting these off. Absolute. Well,
With the wrong
tooling was
the wrong
slightly.
spanner.
It's rocking. Still putting up a fight, Dom.
That'll just be the pistons. Go on, you'll be all right.
Putting up a fight, Dom.
Go on.
It's definitely putting
Just
up.
lift it off, John.
Here we go. The pistons are sliding down the very shiny bores. I don't think we've left anything behind. Ugh. What can you see, Dom?
Oh my word. The pistons are, yeah. Okay.
Wow, look at them barrels.
Yeah, they go right down.
Don't they?
Pistons are creeping out there.
Here we go.
Yes.
The piston rings were all broken and had been broken for quite some time because it's been run with broken ring. Probably not good for the barrels.
Which I'm hoping will live again.
We're going to pull the clutch out,
Get the alternator off.
alternator off, timing gear off, and then hopefully we get down to our drive gear.
There's a
That's not bad,
cog
mate.
in the back of the engine here, which the chain goes around and runs to the back wheel, to the gear on the back wheel, the sort of actual final drive bit of the engine. And that should have teeth like you would have on your push bike, that the chain kind of engage on. And it's almost smooth. It's, isn't it? It's really
I
bad.
can't believe they were driving. Well, I know why they were driving around on that because it's a complete nightmare to change.
To change, yeah.
Yeah.
All we're trying to do is get that gear out so we can get a new one in.
Yeah. So hopefully, by the end of today, that gear will be on the table.
By the end of the day, in the next hour.
in the next hour.
Come on, John. Come
on the
on.
next hour. Look at that.
That's the shape you asked for. That's what you wanted.
Well, I'd have preferred it square. No, you failed, Dom. Perfect. First time. This is a charm.
It's because I already loosened it. That's the alternator removed, and it's revealed the actual gear, the drive gear, which drives it all from the chain. The crank's here basically with the gear. That is driving the chain, which is then driving the clutch, which is held on with these. But we've made a tool in no time at all. Look at that.
Aye.
That is a work of art. Look at that.
Look at it.
Triumph specific tool there.
Those plans you're making will hold no shine. I don't care what you're taking, I've already got what's
Oh, look, it's not rusty. Oh, God. And look at all the slotted screws, absolutely destroyed.
Definitely didn't have any trouble there, did
I've
they?
got a feeling
Someone's been there?
Someone's been in there. Oh, man. Ooh. You keep those in order.
They should all be. I won't worry too much, mate. It's getting harder.
Oh.
There's quite a few more of them. Hey, there we go. Oh, where'd that come from? Where did it go?
You counted, John.
That's it, 20.
Oh,
19.
That's revealed the next fight, which is going to be that. The sort of splined drive for the dampener for the front of the clutch needs to be pulled off. It's on a tapered shaft. That needs to be pulled off. So now we are going to fight with, well, I imagine a puller.
How did that just, do you reckon it just pushed itself back in?
Yes. I want to pinch them up. Do you want to get a few more hands in there? Anyone else put some hands in?
Very technical. Oh, that looks better, doesn't it?
Just the job.
That should be growing like a good one. I think it's time for lunch, mate. We'll come back and see if it's popped off. There's plenty of heat in here, isn't it?
Yeah.
I can tell it's gone blue.
Great.
Let me go and see if I've got any other pullers, Dom.
Should we get the angle grinder? Hydraulic, look. Minimal effort. You won't even know you're breaking things with that.
Oh no, you know.
Come on, John. You need the extension bar on that.
We could be buying a new motor at this rate. Right. Oh, come on, this
What's
is a bit
happening?
Well, it is. It's going up. Look.
Oh.
There she goes.
Was that it?
Oh, something went. Yeah, it wasn't. Yeah,
It's jumped off the teeth. And
jumped off the teeth. This is the challenge of the day, isn't it?
yeah, we knew it was coming though.
So we did say that they hadn't replaced that gear.
This is probably why.
Do you think we found out why
They couldn't get the couldn't get the clutch off. Yeah.
That's what I mean. This hydraulic can just keep going all day long. It's not going to fight you.
Yeah, but where's it going? Where's that move? There it is.
So they needed a magic touch.
See again.
There we go. Well done, sir. Right, so another key way out, and then obviously there's your oil seal you were worried about. Tom.
That's the oil seal. Then
Yeah.
this is the actual cover plate. Those 6 screws.
Yeah.
That we need to get undone next. Pull that cover plate off, and behind there is hopefully the gear that we're trying to get to. We have had a right old mare trying to get that drive hub, a clutch hub, I guess, off, whatever it's called. My God, that was a bit of a fight. We had a visit from Pete from the MOT garage down the road. He just came in to say hello and ended up running back and getting some tools. We had to borrow his puller, his impact actually, to get the other ones off. It was a combination of effort, and as he says, his 40 years experience, which meant we're actually now able to remove this cover plate.
Which is a miracle based on what the these beautiful screw heads that we've been presented with. There's our seal, look. Oh,
There we go.
oh, finally. Well, that doesn't,
Well, they didn't want that to leak, did they?
wow,
Dear me.
look at that, no wonder.
That's it.
There it
That
is.
is what
That's-
we've been looking for.
Look at the state of, can you call that a cog?
Pretty sure that's not supposed to look like that.
I don't think
Those teeth are supposed to be slightly more pronounced.
that's not the best looking one in the
I
world.
hope so. Imagine if that's what they're supposed to look like.
Oh my God, I can't believe we're there, Dom. What a fight. This is amazing. How'd you, oh my
Don't
God.
say that's pretty top. Oh, no, okay.
Oh look, that was worth venturing into, because look at that oil seal.
Behind it.
Yeah,
Oh,
look, ruined, look.
yeah.
So,
Brilliant. That is what we needed to replace. We need to count the teeth and order a new one.
Oh my God.
No, not now. I'm not expecting you to count. There's more than 10 there, John. I'm not sure
Well,
you can get that
yeah,
far.
I haven't got my shoes off.
No, exactly. We broke apart all of the components, gained access to where we needed to, that gear, and then the rest of it has just been breaking down all of those components. We're basically stripping them all down so I can work on a lot of cleaning, but to be fair, a lot of purchasing new parts. There's so many bits. A couple of the valves are broken, they're sort of worn and knackered. The valve guides are loose and worn. The actual rockers are worn. So the broken piston rings have been obviously moving up and down for a long time, and it's either allowed the piston to move slightly in the actual barrel, and that is now worn, so I think I need a new barrel. The clutch basket is worn.
Well, the chain's obviously worn.
The chain. The bottom end, we're leaving the engine like this. We're not tearing it completely down because I don't think it needs it. It may be a mistake. I may regret saying that, so we can cut back to this clip. I think it's all right. I'm going to risk it anyway because I'm in fairly deep with the rest of it as it is. I bought a bad bike that needs a lot of work. I know. But think of the fun we're having.
Should have done that.
Aren't we, John?
Yes, we are.
Aren't we having fun?
We're having fun.
That's it. Yeah, look at the fun we're having. Hope you've enjoyed watching. Any feedback, as ever, leave us a comment.
Oh, please.
Yeah, be kind. See you next time. Thank you so much.
Bye.